Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on configuring a web proxy on your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To set a proxy, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, select Wi-Fi. Tap the arrow icon next to your currently connected network. On the network info page, scroll down and select Proxy. Select Manual. Enter the host name and port of your proxy. You can use the Bypass 4 feature to disable the proxy when on specific websites. Tap IP settings to change between static and DHCP. Tap the tick at the top right of the screen to save your proxy configuration. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.